Good afternoon. My name is Simrat Palkar. I am studying Masters of Technology in Software Engineering. I am in my last semesters of Masters of Technology in Software Engineering. In my last semester, we are doing our master project. Our project name is RoboClock Private Limited that I have already discussed in my Sprint 1 video. As in the Sprint 1, we accomplish login and a dashboard using a technology known as Salesforce, but as we have getting some trouble, so we ask our client and our supervisor, like we want to switch to the AWS. So they said, like, up to you, but you need to work more on the you need to work more on the technology, as you have already spent the few months in learning the Salesforce as well. So but I can say it was a good decision at the right time for us. So after switching to AWS, I have started the Sprint 2. Talking about my accomplishment in the Sprint 2, in the Sprint 2, like I have accomplished with a client login and a dashboard in which the task and the leads were recorded according to the hours. So talking about my key points that I have learned through the Sprint 1, like I have learned how we can assign or prioritize the task. Like I am prioritizing the task after having the discussion with my project manager and the client. After that, I have assigned each member their task, and I have estimated the time required to complete the each task under the sprint 2. And after that, I have used a feasibility analysis performance in my sprint 2. Like I have to analyze what are the requirements I need to fulfill, and do I am doing the right thing. And after that, as I took the responsibility of developing the sprint 1 and same as the sprint 2, and as the user story that are defined to by my project manager, I have tried my best to use all the user stories in my sprint 2 as well. Talking about the specific knowledge of my uh, specific knowledge regarding to the sprint 2, like I already try my hands on the front end and back end development technologies like PHP, SQL, Angular, or the WordPress in my MTech. So I am using these technology using the AWS, uh, which is like easy for me to implement my development task in the AWS. So talking about my outcomes, like what I have learned from the sprint 2. From the sprint 2, I can say I learn how the like how we can give a practical exposure to development tasks. Like in my MTech, I have learned the technologies, like on the basic level, but now I have learned how we can implement in on a cloud platform to build a CRM solution. So it gives us a practical exposure to the development task. Secondly, the most important thing I have learned, like a teamwork is very important. As teamwork, like each team member, we need to focus on each things they are doing, and by collaborating with us, we need to agree on each other's point of view as well. So team working is very crucial in working as in a team as well. So I also learned how we can adapt to the changing environments. Like I have switched from Salesforce to AWS, so it's a bit challenging for me and my other team members, but we accomplish our task and our requirements according to the project as well. So adapting the new environment, it's crucial for me as well in this the sprint 2. And talking about the last thing, how we can earn the new things using the used in the technical fields. Like we are earning the new things, like we are new to build a project, so we are trying our hands on the new technology using in our project, so which is like beneficial for us for our future as well. So what I have gone better in the sprint 2, like I have trying my development skills on the regular basis in my projects, and I'm also learning the new technologies that should be used in my project. And I think I am growing, continuously growing to learn the new technologies that will be used in my project to accomplish the other sprint 3, which we will be working on the from the next week as well. So thanks for watching my video, and I